Now we are discussing chapter 9. In the previous video, already we have discussed how to solve a linear equation, what are the different steps involved in solving linear equations. In this class, we will discuss the word problems related to linear equations. In this, some real life applications are solved with the help of linear equations. Here, for solving this kind of questions, mainly there are two steps. First of all, by understanding the given word problem, we have to frame an algebraic expression or we have to frame a linear equation. Then we have to solve that linear equation for finding out the value of the unknown variable, and that is the answer of the given word problem. So we have already learned in the chapter of algebraic expressions, we have already learned how to frame algebraic expressions. So framing a linear equation is same as framing an algebraic expression. Two algebraic expressions with degree 1 are equal, then an equation is formed or a linear equation is formed. So we have to start exercise 9.2. In exercise 9.2 we have many questions which we have to solve in this method. We have to frame an equation first of all, and then we have to solve the equation. For that we have to find out, we have to take the required value as an unknown variable x or y, etc. So first of all, let us solve question number 4 in exercise 9.2. If 1 by 2 is subtracted from a number and the difference is multiplied by 4, the result is 5. Find the number. So here what is important is the number. So that number we have to find out. The number which we have to find out is an unknown variable. Let us take it as an unknown variable x. So we write like this. Let the number be x. Now we are taking the number as x, and then we frame an equation in x, and then we solve that equation and we find out the value of x. Now, if 1 by 2 is subtracted from a number and the difference is multiplied by 4, when 1 by 2 is subtracted from the number x, it is x minus 1 by 2. X minus 1 by 2. It is and then the difference is multiplied by 4. We have to multiply this difference by 4. The result is 5. So this is the LHS of the equation. X minus 1 by 2 into 4, and the RHS is 5. So here we can write here according to the question. According to the question, it is, if you understand the equation, if you understand the question, we need to only write the formula directly. We don't need to write any other steps. According to the question, x minus 1 by 2 into 4 is equal to 5. Now, by solving this equation, we can find out the value of x. So, for solving this equation, we take 4 to the right side first of all. That is, x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by 4. Actually, we divide on both the sides by 4. We know that while dividing on both the sides by 4, the equation doesn't change. Implies, now by taking the LCM here, we can subtract. LCM is 2. Here it will be 2x. X will be multiplied by 2. 2x minus 1 will be multiplied by 1 itself is equal to 5 by 4. Now multiplying both sides by 2, we get 2x minus 1 is equal to 5 by 4 into 2. That is 5 by 2. Implies 2x is equal to 5 by 2 plus 1. Implies 2x is equal to 7 by 2. Adding 5 by 2 and 1, we get 7 by 2. Implies x, dividing both sides by 2, we get x is equal to 7 by 2 divided by 2, that is 7 by 4. So the value of x, or the number required, the number is equal to 7 by 4. This is the answer. Now we have question number 5. The sum of two numbers is 80 and the greater number given sum of two numbers is 80 and the greater number exceeds twice the smaller by 11. So let us take the smaller number. Let the smaller number be x. You have to find out both the numbers. So we take the smaller number be x. Then what is the greater number? The greater number will be is equal to the sum of x and the other number is 80. So the greater number or the other number will be 80 minus x. Because here the sum is 80. X plus 80 minus x is 80. So we can write the other number or the greater number as 80 minus x. Now the next condition, greater number exceeds twice the smaller by 11. The greater number 80 by x, 80 minus x exceeds twice the smaller number. Twice the smaller number means 2x. 2x plus 11. Greater number exceeds twice the smaller number, or the greater number is 11 more than twice the smaller number. This is the meaning of exceeds. The greater number is 11 more than 2 times smaller number. So 80 minus x is equal to 2x plus 11. So this is what we get the equation according to the question. By solving this equation we can find out the value of x. This implies here we can take this 2x to left side and 80 to right side, so that the x terms will be at one side. So we keep minus x here, bring 2x this side, the rule of transposition. 2x will become minus 2x. Minus x minus 2x is equal to 11 will be there in the same side and 80 will go to the other side. Plus 80 will become minus 80. 11 minus 80 implies minus x minus 2x. It is minus 3x is equal to minus 69 implies x is equal to minus 69 divided by minus 3. Dividing both the sides by minus 3 we get x is equal to minus 69 by minus 3, that is equal to 23. So x is 23, that is the smaller number is 23 and the greater number is 80 minus 23, that is equal to 57. So these are the required numbers, 23 and 57. Now moving on to question number 8. A chair costs rupees 250 and a table costs rupees 400. If a housewife purchased a certain number of chairs and 2 tables for rupees 2800, find the number of chairs she purchased. So here these are the given values. Cost of one chair, that is rupees 250. Cost of one table is also given, that is rupees 400, and it is also given that 2 tables are purchased. 2 tables and some chairs. The number of chairs is not given, that we have to find out. So cost of 2 tables we can obtain 400 into 2, that is rupees 800, and the total cost is 200. Now we don't know how many chairs are purchased. We have to find out the number of chairs. Let us take it. The number of chairs be x. So cost of one chair is rupees 250. So the cost of x chairs will be rupees 250 into x. Cost of x chairs is equal to rupees 250 into x, or rupees 250x. Now total cost is rupees 2800. So we can write according to question 250x plus the cost of tables. There were 2 tables and their cost is 800. So 250x plus 800. This is the total cost. Cost of x chairs and 2 tables is equal to 2800. When we write the equation, we need not write the units or we need not write rupees, etc. So we just write the values in order to solve the equation. This implies 250x is equal to, take 800 to the right side, we get 2800 minus 800 implies 250x is equal to 2000 implies x is equal to 2000 by 250. Dividing both the sides by 250, we get x is equal to 2000 by 250 and that is equal to 8. So the number of chairs purchased is equal to 8. So the answer is 8. Number of chairs is equal to 8. Now question number 10. Hina has only rupees 2 and rupees 5 coins in her purse. If in all she has 80 coins in her purse amounting to rupees 232, find the number of rupees 5 coins. So here in her purse there are two types of coins, rupees 2 coins and rupees 5 coins. Total there are 80 coins and the amount of total of all these coins is rupees 232. So we have to find out the number of rupees 5 coins. Let us take the rupees 5 coins in x. The number of rupees 5 coins be x. So there are x rupees 5 coins and there are total 80 coins. Therefore number of rupees 2 coins will be 80 minus x because the total is x. So number of rupees 5 coins is x and the number of rupees 2 coins is 80 minus x. Now the total amount is rupees 232. So rupees 5 coins amounts to the amount by rupees 5 coins is x into rupees 5 or that is equal to 5x. The amount by rupees 5 coins is 5x and the rupees 2 coins amounts to $80 minus x into 2 or 2 into 80 minus x. So here rupees 5 coins, the number of rupees 5 coins is x, therefore the amount by rupees 5 coins is 5x and the number of rupees 2 coins is 80 minus x, therefore the amount by rupees 2 coins is 2 into 80 minus x. Now the sum total of both of these amounts is rupees 232. So according to the question, we can write 5x plus 2 into 80 minus x is equal to 232 implies 5x plus 2 into 80 minus x can be simplified by using the distributive property. So 2 into 80 is 160, then 2 into minus x minus 2x is equal to 232 implies 5x minus 2x will be 3x and 160 will go to the other side. Rule of transposition, that is 232 minus 160 implies 3x is equal to here 74, 232 minus 160, 72 implies x is equal to 72 by 3 is equal to 24. So there were 24 5 rupee coins. Number of 5 rupees 5 coins is equal to 24.